Happy Thursday. Welcome to your food challenge. Fun fact, sometimes we hide a fake. Is today one of those days? What is the main purpose of proofing yeast in baking? That's right, to activate the yeast and ensure it's alive. Many Major League eaters started their careers eating competitively in what food category? Nailed it, hot dogs. Which spice, often associated with pumpkin spice lattes, is actually derived from the dried inner bark of a tree? Correct, cinnamon. The yakitori street food is most closely associated with which country? Correct, Japan. Which popular candy bar was named after the Mars family's horse? Nailed it, Snickers. Which of these hot sauce brands is known for its unique bottle shape resembling a hand grenade? Nailed it, Blair's Death Sauce. During the rise of molecular gastronomy in the early 2000s, which technique involving sodium alginate and calcium chloride became widely known for creating caviar-like spheres? Boom, correct. Spherification. Before becoming a renowned chef, what was Anthony Bourdain's profession in the culinary world? Boom! Correct. Line, cook. Which celebrity chef hosted the show Good Eats and is known for his scientific approach to cooking? Boom! Correct. Alton Brown. What is the name of the bacteria primarily responsible for fermenting cabbage into sauerkraut? Correct. Lactobacillus plantarum. New trivia every day. Tomorrow's category, history, be there.